Experience excellent service on and off the road from BMW of Minnetonka's exceptional service department.
Following a regular maintenance schedule for your vehicle is the best way to ensure years of driving pleasure. Deciding where to have your vehicle serviced can be the difficult part. The options seem endless, and who can you trust to do the best job of servicing your vehicle? Our BMW Authorized Service Center is the choice for all your maintenance needs. Nobody knows your vehicle better than a factory authorized service facility like ours. Our technicians are factory trained with access to the special tools and equipment and the OEM parts that are necessary to keep your vehicle running at peak performance. Our service department works mainly on the makes and models that we sell, and we're very familiar with the BMW lineup with unlimited access to proprietary information on the BMW lineup. Because we know your vehicle better, we can usually pinpoint a problem more quickly and more accurately, saving you time and money. Best of all, our BMW Authorized Service Center offers competitively priced repair and maintenance services. And if there's a warranty, your coverage extends to every BMW dealer nationwide. Having your vehicle serviced regularly is important. Where you have it serviced may be even more critical. Choose our BMW Authorized Service Center for all your service and maintenance needs.
Contact BMW of Minnetonka for your next service appointment by calling 866-481-5157 or schedule your appointment online at bmwofminnetonka.com today. BMW of Minnetonka is conveniently located at 15802 Wayzata Boulevard in Minnetonka, Minnesota, just west of 494 on Highway 394.